Hi everyone, welcome to Vshreshta Academy for Management Exams. IIFT KAKINADA వాళ్ళు they have come out with their application process. Indian Institute of Foreign Trade KAKINADA. దేనికి exam? BBA Business Analytics plus MBA International Business. 5-year integrated MBA program in IIFT KAKINADA campus. Entry exam ఏంటి? IPMAT Indore examination. IIFT KAKINADA entrance examination is based on IIM Indore. Last date to apply for IIFT KAKINADA is April 23. But before actually you apply for IIFT KAKINADA, IPMAT Indore application first complete చేసుకోవాలి. The last date for IPMAT Indore examination is March 26th. So everything apply చేసుకోవాలో it's advised, well advised to apply soon. Examination is based on Indore. Indore examination is on May 23. In fact, IIFT KAKINADA takes into criteria the three criteria. Number one, Indore scores. Number two, academic profile of class 10 standard of the students. So, ఎవరికైతే 10th bunch marks వచ్చాయో who could actually, who scored very well in the 10th standard, plus Indore scores. ఈ రెండు, these are the major criteria, along with gender diversity. Around 2 to 3%. In fact, when the entire notification comes out, we can get the details very clearly. But these are the three criteria. So IIFT KAKINADA loki entrance vellali anukunte matram you have to definitely apply for Indore and then come to KAKINADA's application, apply for this. This is the process. In fact, the university is doing very well. Recently, they have also been accorded the status of Institute of Eminence category education law. They have clearly mentioned in the website of their tie-ups. For example, 41 international universities. So IIFT KAKINADA has tied up, be it with respect to student exchange program, faculty research oriented program or faculty exchange programs, joint research programs. They have clearly mentioned, in fact, this syllabus module also of first 3 years of BBA and then comes to your MBA and all. In fact, the first 3 years of BBA is only going to be a 2-semester model. When it comes to your MBA, it is tri-semester model. In fact, with strict criteria about certain, ఎవరైతే 3 years BBA ఈ criteria follow అవుతారో వాళ్ళే they are being sent to the next level of 2 years of MBA International Business. So all class 12 students who are good in their mathematics, who wanted to pursue their career option in management, this is one very good examination you should definitely apply for. So for any other queries with respect to any management examination after your 12th standard, be it the regular 3-year BBA program or the integrated MBA program, do contact Vshreshta. We would be very happy to help you out with respect to ఎటువైపు వెళ్ళాలి, ఏ కోర్స్ రాయాలి, ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఎలా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. బికాస్ IPMAT ఇస్ వన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ చాలా తక్కువ మంది తెలుస్తుంది. నార్త్ ఇండియాలో తెలిసినంత సౌత్ ఇండియాలో ఇంకా చాలా మంది తెలియట్లేదు. బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ వేర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ హూ ఆర్ రియలీ గుడ్ ఎట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అండ్ ఆప్టిట్యూడ్ స్కిల్స్ ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ మిస్ అవ్వకూడదు. Contact us for any queries. We would be very happy to help you out. Good luck. Thank you everyone.